In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Bank of America account online. The great thing about this process is that it can be done from the comfort of your home, and it's relatively straightforward. So let's dive right in and go through this step by step. First off, you're going to want to access the official Bank of America website. To do this, simply enter bankofamerica.com into your web browser's address bar. This will bring you to their homepage, where you'll be able to carry out all the necessary steps to open your account. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top menu. Here, you'll see the option labeled Open an Account. Clicking on this will present you with different types of accounts to choose from, such as a checking, savings, or student account. Now it's time to weigh your options. Bank of America provides a few different account types within each category, so it's a good idea to compare these options to see which one fits your needs. For example, you might be looking at accounts like Advantage Plus Checking or Advantage Savings. When you've made your decision, you can click on Open Now under your chosen account option, which will take you to the application process. Next comes the part where you'll need to fill in your personal information. This step is crucial, so ensure your details are accurate. You'll be asked to enter your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Additionally, they'll want to know a bit about your employment status. All of this information is standard procedure and helps the bank establish your account. Following your personal details, you'll need to decide on a method to fund your new account. You can choose from a few options here, like using another bank account for an ACH transfer, using a debit card, or even sending a mail-in check. Select whichever method works best for you and proceed to the next step. Before you finalize anything, double-check and review all the details you've entered. This is your last chance to make sure everything is correct before you submit your application. Once you've verified your information, you'll need to agree to the terms and disclosures provided by Bank of America. Remember, these contain essential information, so take a moment to glance through them before agreeing. After you've done that, you can go ahead and submit your application. With the submission completed, Bank of America will send you a confirmation along with any necessary next steps through email. Keep an eye on your inbox for that important email, and there you have it. You've successfully opened a Bank of America account online. It's as easy as that, and you're now set to start using your new account. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your banking journey!